This insulation comes in different thicknesses and widths. I really want the thin stuff for what I'm doing. This one's 150 millimeters or 15 centimeters. In between each, this piece here is going to have 3 pieces in, all put together. So between each piece, I want a piece of this insulation so that there's no gaps and no drafts can come through. This is the doorway. Certainly don't want drafts around the doorway. Once I've got a piece in position and it's all nice, I can clamp it in position before nailing. You can get the clamp on. Nice and tight. I did have 3 clamps but 1 broke, so I'm managing with 2. I just nail it through. And that's how you create these great thick pieces of timber, and without any gaps, without any place where drafts are going to come through. Very important thing to do. A lot of houses you see are not doing that, and the result is they get drafts around the doors and they're wondering why. That's exactly why. You could also replace this with spray foam if you wanted. You could do one or the other. This tends to be cheaper and very effective. This will withstand any draft at all, whereas Penna, the spray foam, has various cold properties. It will go down to certain degrees. Obviously the lower the temperature, the more you'll pay, where this is kind of universal, goes at any kind of temperature. This doorway should only have a single piece of wood in there and then one upright in there, but in experience it's probably a bad idea to just put one piece of wood in there. Cush you. So I put double headers in, so another piece of timber in there, then an upright, and that way then, I mean this is a doorway so it's not going to do anything, but that way, especially on windows, it's like putting a lintel in a brick house. You don't get sagging windows, you don't get stuck windows, etc, etc. So you know, when you put a single piece of timber in, then a great big window, then you wonder why the window won't open or it's cracked or whatever. That's the reason. Not putting headers, double headers in. So that's next.